Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to play music in Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Hold 1 minute. So right now I'm going to show you how to play YouTube music in your Discord. So first of all, open the music, then copy the music URL, and now open that actual server where you want to play the music. Then type dash and play space and paste the link here and hit enter, and then here you can see the music is started to playing. So this is how we can play music in Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.